to HalfWit Labs. I'm here at O'Reilly in Christiansburg, Virginia. Good old O'Reilly. Got a fellow vice grip garager by the name of Lee. He's got his car busted up. I'm here picking up parts, and I'm gonna drive over there tomorrow and help him get it put back together. So should be cool. This is a new one. Yep. And there we go. I got tools. Door's slow. Got the stuff to do, hopefully, what I need to do. As usual, the old Harbor Freightage does the trick. We'll see how it goes tomorrow. I'll keep you guys in on the action, whatever action there is. I don't know. By O'Reilly this morning, picked up some more parts and some antifreeze, coolant, and driving through West Virginia on my way to Pritchard, West Virginia. Go check out this car and see what kind of shape it's in. But I got to show you all some of this drive. It is beautiful, beautiful driving out here. Really kind of God's country, and it's real sunny and nice today. So check this out. Taking a little break, stretching the legs. Got these nice travel stop centers here in West Virginia. Not all states have them, but if you're passing through a state that does have them, it's always kind of handy to have a place that's a rest area with food, with gas, with all the things. Sometimes shopping. I'm gonna take a gander and stretch my legs a bit. Here, let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So up here in the beautiful mountains of West Virginia, surrounded by the mountains. What a day. Blue skies, little wispy puffy clouds everywhere. You get this big travel stop here with, it's like a Pizza Hut and a Burger King and a KFC and a little store and something else. So, I don't know. I like it. Wish these were more common, but they're just not. I'm gonna go in here and stretch out for a minute, get something to drink, maybe get myself a hamburger. I don't know what ramp jam is. I should know, I've heard of a ramp. I've definitely never had ramp jam. Ephemeral woodland vegetable. The ramp is pungent, spicy, and okay. Interesting. Ramp jam. It's a little scary, but whatever. Still got the decorations going too. I'm gonna head over here, get some food. A little bit of a line, that's all right. It's worth it for the Whopper. I got food, checked out the place. I'm gonna get back on the road now. I'm in Pritchard, West Virginia. This little Chevy Cobalt here belongs to a fellow VGG Nation guy, and he got a little bit of a fender bender there, so we're going to try to get his coolant system up and running again so he can drive to work. So let's take a look. Oh yeah, mud, got a bent condenser, bent radiator, looks like some core supports. Well, anyway, I got some parts. We're going to see if we can figure this out. All right, get down on my hands and knees and reach down in there. Yeah, that fan shroud is cracked and pushing back on the front of the engine. There should be a couple of transmission cooler lines coming from somewhere into the radiator, right there. Hopefully we'll get it back together. We'll see. Deer collision. I need more tools. Really bad. Need more tools. Don't have enough with me. I'm gonna have to figure this out. I have to go to the store. We'll see. So, AC condenser has been, oh dear. Yeah, sorry, I had to throw that joke in there. AC condenser has been bent, but it is not. It's not leaking. Ask me how I know. There's the pressure valve. There's the stuff on my hands. Anyway, so we gotta figure out how to get the radiator out, fan shroud and assembly, and then try to see if we can straighten that out, put it in a different place. I don't know, we'll figure that out. I don't know. Cross that bridge when we come to it. Right now, I would love to be able to clean off some of the deer guts, and that's poop. Anyway, I guess we'll figure it out. Well, this ain't gonna do nothing, but I gotta do something. Yep, it's doing a whole lot of, it's just moistening it. Can I get some of that blood off of there at least? Yes, no, maybe? Blood and hair? Nothing. So I'm here with Lee.
Hello, how you doing?
Trying to get this this radiator's been oh-deared.
You're literally
out of the front of this car, working on top of deer guts and poop and everything else. These dumb spring clamps. What do you say, Lee? Think we can get it going?
Oh, absolutely.
We're gonna figure it out.
Oh yeah, with you around, oh yeah, we'll figure it out.
Even though we have run out of daylight quickly, but I brought flashing lights. So we're gonna be all right. The dogs are gonna continue to bark at us, but that's fine. We're gonna get it fixed. If anything, we'll get it running and hopefully not leaking. And here we are, so we got brand new radiator sitting here. We got a new fan and shroud in the back of my car, which I call Meep. Bent them.
It bent them.
Well, I'm glad we got new ones.
It bent them, they hit that hard.
So people always like, why you call your car Meep? You wanna know why, Lee? When you lock it, Meep.
Meep, yep.
That's why it's named Meep. All right, we're gonna slap this radiator in here. I gotta get the fan shroud out the back, start that assembly process. We'll check back in a minute. Radiator's in. The old stuff is, well, I mean, that's broken, basically. Very broken. Oh, we gotta put some juice in it, huh? I got 2 bottles over there. Using some peat. That's the premix, should be good. No leaks?
No leaks.
Yeah, how's those transmission lines doing? They should have started pumping pretty quick.
They're good.
Nothing coming out back of them?
Yeah.
All right.
Not that I see anything.
Cool. I like it. We'll let it sit here and run for a minute. Make sure there's no more leaky poos. But we got a new radiator in there. Everything's buttoned up pretty good. We had to make some new bottom supports. Those are rotted out, but I just cut up some rubber pieces and made some new ones. We're gonna sit here and watch the temperature for a bit. See how it does. Wait for that thermostat to open up and check for leaks again. So far so good. We're at about 187 degrees. No leaks. Focus. We are not leaking here. If that would focus, that would focus. Transmission lines are not leaking. And then to see the other ones a little bit more difficult. It's way up in there. I don't see anything dripping there either. Fan still hadn't kicked on yet, which is a little bit worrisome. But he said me the fan didn't kick on till like 2:05. Just wait to see what happens with that. It sucked a little bit of the juice through, bubbled a few times. We'll just keep watching it. Well, we've had a bit of a calamity here. The radiator hose popped off when it hit about 200 degrees. I think the top one's still intact. Wait for it to cool down and get that hose back on and fill it up with more coolant. Woo! Fun. And the fan's never kicked on. Not real sure why that happened. Fan never came on. I'm trying to figure that out. All right, folks, that's what it's all about, man.
Helping
My brother needed help. I was in the area. I was able to help him out. Got the car going. Got heat, right?
Yes, sir.
And the fans cut on.
Yes, sir.
And
Perfect.
and stayed cool.
Oh, absolutely.
And you know what? We worked on it together. We had a good time.
That's best
Hung
time
out.
I've ever had.
Got some food. He brought me coffee. And
Here goes that coffee now.
that's what it's all about, man, is people helping people. The car community stays strong because of this. So random acts of car kindness, that's what we got to
It goes
do.
a long way.
And
a long way.
Well, brother, look, man.
I appreciate you so much.
Yes,
You just
sir.
Don't know.
Yes, sir.
I appreciate everybody in the VGG family.
More
They are
than happy
a
to
great
help.
group of people.
Yes, they are.
They care.
Yes, they are.
And it's not very often that you find a caring community. Like people you don't even know will go out of their way to help somebody. And not ask for nothing in return. That's great. We
That's
need
right.
more of this in our world.
Vice Grip Garage right there.
Absolutely.
Well, I think that wraps it up for the
Yes,
Cobalt.
sir. Yep.
You'll be able to
got
get
it
to work.
fixed. Yeah, I will now if I have borrowed a car.
All right. Y'all be good. See you next time.
Thank you guys, every one of you. You're greatly appreciated.